I've had an absolute disaster. I've managed to lose every single subscriber to my email newsletter. Gone. Permanently. Yep, all gone. Want to know what happened? And more importantly, what I'm going to do and how I'm using this to launch a whole new part of Niall Gardens? Okay, stick around and I'll explain. Hey everyone, how's it going and welcome back. Okay, here's the story. So a few years back I started an email newsletter that you might have been subscribed to, but I found that I hit a point where I just wasn't sending it out that regularly, and then it fell entirely by the wayside. So fast forward to a few weeks ago. I've been meaning to restart that email newsletter for ages because I do think that it's another great way to connect really closely with you. And I thought, right, let's get it done. But I didn't realise that I'd made a huge mistake. I left it too long without logging into the website that runs it. I missed a big system update on that website, and the result, all of my subscribers have disappeared. So after spending hours of digging through their online support documents and talking to them directly, it's been confirmed to me that they're gone for good. So instead of despairing, I've decided to turn this into an opportunity and go with a complete relaunch, which is going to have a totally new kind of content for you that you can only get through my email newsletter, and I think you're going to love it. Plus, as a thank you for signing up and helping me give my newsletter a big fresh start and a boost, I've created something special for you, a free pack of 12 stunning wallpapers of all of my own plant and garden photography, one for every month of the year, inspired by the beauty of the garden. So why sign up? Well, truly, this newsletter isn't going to be another thing just clogging up your inbox, advertising someone's latest YouTube video. It's going to give you access to extra content that I'm going to be making exclusively for my newsletter subscribers, a micro podcast direct from me to you. It might have a how-to, some inspiration, or even maybe just a personal take on my garden or my thoughts that week, delivered to your inbox, ready for you to listen to whenever you want. Now, about those wallpapers, I've created a collection of 12 kind of special desktop wallpapers, each one themed around a specific month in the garden. They're some of my favourite images that I've taken, from the first blooms of spring all the way through to like the golden hues of autumn. Every wallpaper is meant to be a little slice of seasonal inspiration for you to enjoy, and each is going to come in 3 sizes, one for your desktop, one for your phone, and one for your tablet. And the best bit, they are truly completely free to download when you sign up. Signing up couldn't be easier. All you have to do is click the link in the description below or head across to niallgardens.com, where there's going to be a newsletter sign-up link. Pop your email in and that's it. You're done. You'll get instant access to your free wallpaper pack that you can download and keep for as long as you want. And you'll also be the first to receive my brand new newsletter and my micro podcast when it lands in your inbox. And honestly, don't worry, there's not going to be spam, there's not going to be clutter, just good gardening vibes. I know that it might seem like a small thing, but for me, hitting the big reset button on my newsletter kind of feels important to me. It's a chance to rebuild something better, more personal, and more useful to you. So if you've ever enjoyed my content, whether it's on here, on YouTube, on Instagram, or elsewhere, I'd really love for you to join me. So here's your reminder. Click on my link in the description down below, sign up for the newsletter, and grab your free set of garden-inspired wallpapers. It's my, I suppose, little thank you gift for helping me get this newsletter back off the ground again, giving it a really big boost and a bit of a shove. That's it for today. I'm so excited, really excited to kick off this new chapter with you all. So don't forget to sign up, grab your free wallpapers, and stay tuned for more updates. And until next time, see you later.